Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix any laptop that won't turn on. This problem can be due to several reasons. We will explain each reason step by step. Hope you watch the whole video. When we try to turn on our computer, nothing comes on our display. You can see power coming to the laptop but nothing coming through the display. If you have the same problem, then you should first open the battery of your laptop. After removing the battery from the laptop, try open the laptop again with the charger. If you still have problem, then follow next step. You have to remove the RAM from your laptop and clean the RAM. You can use a pencil eraser to clean the RAM. If you still have problem, then you must change your RAM. If the problem persists, try another charger. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.